Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I'm going to boil your marketing campaign down to the two main things. You're going to want to know what these are. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. So I had a student ask me the other day, they said, Tom, what if I simplify marketing for me even more than you already have? What is it really going to take to make your marketing totally awesome? What if you were stuck and could only do two things? What two things would you do to make your marketing totally awesome? I said, let's think about that for a minute. There are two things you've absolutely got to get right in your marketing. Here they are. Number one, you have to have the right message to market match. Okay? What you say to the people is important. It has to connect with them. If it doesn't connect with them, if they don't see themselves in what you're talking about, they're not going to contact you. So you've blown it right from the start. So the message to market match is correct. If someone's in probate, you have to send them a probate type message. If someone's in pre-foreclosure, you got to talk to them like they're in pre-foreclosure. If someone's in divorce, you got to talk to them like somebody in divorce. Don't mix your messages and don't crisscross. That's going to cause a big problem. That'll cause a lower than average response rate or no response rate at all, which is the death of you, because then it's a waste of time and a waste of money. What's the second thing? The second thing is quite simply repetition. You've got to tell people what you want. I'm getting soaked. Look at that. Oh yeah. Whew. You've got to tell people what you want. The second thing is repetition. You've got to tell people what they want to hear, the right message to market match. You got to do it more than once. You can't just send somebody a message one time and think that that's going to be good enough. You can't just send them, you've got to do it again and again and again. Repetition over time shows that you are consistent. It shows that you're really in this game for the long run, and it is what triggers response over time. So you've got to get that absolutely right. First, you've got to get your message to market match correct. Then second, you flat out have to do repetition. Sometimes I've even seen marketing that isn't that great do well because it's been repeated often enough. So you have to understand what the proper repetition cycle is for the types of marketing that you've chosen to do. So those are the two main things that you need to do. Now, I've got a great free gift for you. If you're confused about how to get your message to market match right, there's an easy way. My system has the right message to market matches, the right repetition cycles. It teaches you everything you need to know to get that marketing right. But if you want to tweak your messages or you want to try this on your own, you want to go, then I encourage you to download a free copy of my Deal Flow cheat sheet. In my Deal Flow cheat sheet, I walk you through what it takes to design that message the right way so that you have the right message to market match. It's all in a free copy of my Deal Flow cheat sheet. If you'd like to get a copy of the cheat sheet otherwise, simply use the links on this page, enter in your email address, and we'll get it right over to you. For TractionRealEstateMentors.com, it's Tom Zeeb. I'll talk to you later.